嗨，大家好，我是小野人。Today I'm going to talk about open source as a strategic weapon. Most of the tech companies, including Google, invest lots of money into open source software. They are not doing this out of courtesy because it's a strategic weapon which can help them build an ecosystem which we can profit a lot from. So I'm going to cover three topics. The first is economy concept of complements and substitutes. The second is a case study of Android ecosystem by Google, which is a huge success. The third one is other examples from Tesla, Waymo, and even venture capitals. So we can see from the graph on the left, which is complements goods. Complement product basically means both goods could be sold together, like movies and popcorns. So when you go to the movie theater, then when there are more movie tickets sold, there are also more popcorn sold, so their demand go up together. On the other hand, for the substitutes, you can only either buy one product or the other, which including a trade-off between the two, like Italian wines and French wines. So the basic idea is, let's say if you want to fly to Miami for holiday, and the flight tickets getting cheaper, and more people will fly to Miami, and the hotel price will increase. So as you can see, the decrease of the complement will increase the demand of the product. So that's the theory behind open source. Basically, you want to open source your complement so it can drive up demand for your own product. You can see this is a case from Android ecosystem. We see from 2009 and 2022, the market share of Android has been experiencing a massive adoption from around 1% to almost 70%. One of the main revenue stream from Android system is App Store. So it's basically when people buying app and selling apps on the App Store, Google will get a commission, take a share of it. And we can see the number of available applications in Google Play Store is almost 100 times in just less than 10 years, from 2009 to 2017. And Google really profit a lot from this. So on the other hand, we see lots of companies claim they open source their IP for innovations like Tesla, but actually they are commoditizing electric vehicles. They open source their IPs, so everyone car manufacturing, they can make their own EVs. So Tesla can benefit from the adoption of electric vehicles, which it will profit actually on the software instead, as the largest profit margin. On the other hand, the hardware manufacturer Honda and the software manufacturer Waymo partnership actually fall apart because the collaborations actually hurt Honda since it's trying to drive down the price of the autonomous driving vehicles, and most of the profit will flow to the Waymo. It's really hard for the hardware companies to profit unless they get IP and get the open source piece of the software. Even for venture capitals in our daily life, we can see they try to commoditize startup process. Basically, they open free startup schools so everyone can attend because startup are their complements. So when there are more startups, more quality startups, their revenue will increase and they will profit from that.